We are at the Strat, and I didn't make a left because there's pedestrians, and it's a yellow arrow.
That is making sure that they are safe.
Not me. Look at that guy dancing over there, though. Hey, 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 hey.
Things you see in Vegas.
Hey, we saw a guy. I call him slumpers. He looked like he took a lot of fentanyl or heroin and just slumped over at a slot machine. But anyways, good game. Bridge to casino. We are at Stratosphere. Here we go.
We've been to Vegas so many times, but
we stayed here before, but we didn't really do a walking tour or gamble or play.
because that was pre-gambling time.
Yeah.
We stayed here to go to where? We were gonna go to I forgot.
We went to Zion on the way back.
Yeah. We stayed here.
Check it out.
Cheap Asian kitchen. Ooh, look at them. I'll check it. Check it. Where's the song playing?
Alright. Here we go.
True rewards. Oh, is that there? You have a key card.
It's not true. It's true. I thought it was Caesar's. It's the Caesar's property.
Sir, Merry Christmas. You just got in today or last night?
What is True Rewards?
Come here, I'll get the voucher, sir.
Oh, I'm good, thank you. Here we go. So, high limit area on the left. Let's walk in here. High limit
Oh, they
area.
have a high limit.
Ooh, high limit Phoenix rink.
I haven't been lucky with this Phoenix Lake.
Huh? Well, should I put this up?
Did you buy?
Yeah. Alright, everybody. Oh, look at this roulette table, dining table thingy.
Oh, it's cute.
That's cool. Nice. Okay. That's awesome. It's aimed straight. It's not moving. Cool. Here we go. The Strat. I really thought the Strat was a Caesar's property. I guess not. Okay, here we go. We're gonna walk counter clockwise. Clockwise. Wait. Clockwise. We're walking clockwise. Okay.
I see crapless crabs.
Oh, you see crabs?
I see it right there.
Oh.
And I see it over there.
Oh, her eyes are very strong now.
I don't think so. I think we just see the.
Oh,
it looks like
I see it. I see. How much is the table crabs here?
We'll see.
Right here. Do you want to go check?
Oh, the table? I'm gonna
Table
check.
crabs, yeah. Table crabs. Let's go see. Table crabs 10. Oh. Cool.
Have the bonus and hops.
Ooh. Look at the mini. What is this? It's a mini table?
What?
I have never seen this
I've
before.
never seen this one. How do you
Oh, I'm gonna.
This is cool.
I've never seen a mini.
This is crapless crabs.
Oh,
But it's a mini.
mini crapless table. Check how small this is. Wow, that's cool. Yeah, I've never seen that.
$2.
$2 mins. All right, let's go walk around.
We've never played this since we were in Shamash.
Yeah, we should try it out. We should try the 10 spins, $50, 10 spins challenge. But yeah, let's.
See if we win.
Wow, that actually rhymes. We're gonna do the 10 spins, see if we
I
win.
have some talent. I've done it on the bonus on the right.
10 spins, see if we win. Well, they got
Or you
automatic.
could just say 10 spins to win.
Okay.
Here comes Phoenix Link, which I've not been very lucky with.
No. True rewards here.
Christmas songs.
Well, I think it's Christmas season, right?
Yeah.
Christmas
Well,
season.
it's $1 minimum on that craft right there.
Let me adjust it down for a moment. Okay. Good. Oh, they got more bubble craps over here. Nice. Does it go way back there too? Wow. It does. It goes way back there.
Oh, it does.
Yeah.
Look, let's see if it's $1.
It's $1 minimum.
$1.
It is $1 minimum.
It's $1. You just came in today?
Wow, she's aggressive. Good salesperson right there. You just come in today? Well, that's what she said.
Frankenstein.
Look, it goes way over there too.
Oh wow, this is place.
So let's finish this room first. Let's finish the walk.
I think we should go around like this and come back there because that is where our games are.
Okay,
Yes, thank you.
sounds good.
Yes.
Sounds good. All right.
We are counterclockwise.
We are going- Yes.
Toward Vegas Tower. Atomic Golf. McCall's Guild. Is that LA comedy or is it LA? LA.
I think it's LA. If it was La, it might be just
Well, we're not in LA.
no. So this area, I'm assuming it's probably non-smoking. Let's see. Probably not. All right, let's walk through here.
Secret Bazaar.
Ah. That sounds. This is not a non-smoking. This is a smoking section.
You can smell the
Yeah, it
you
smells
can
like
smell.
it smells like my upper lip. Okay.
Right. I see that's what your upper lip smells like.
There's a lot of vouchers sitting right there, huh?
Touch it.
I don't want to touch it either.
Meow.
Okay. Let's walk back over.
Alright.
This room is interesting. It's like just spare and here.
That's why I said we should look at it.
Gotcha. Look at this. This is called an epileptic 5-7 Lucky Star slot machine. Yeah, it's like give me epilepsy playing that.
I thought it's a way to like attract mode.
That's probably, yeah, you're right. I think it's attract mode.
They have older slot machines too.
Yeah, these are all a lot of old. There are a lot of wolf runs and wild orchids.
Never really liked white.
Wild orchid?
Yeah. Ooh, I like these ones.
What is this?
Look at that.
Look at these old slot
Is it
machines.
a
Three
not
reel.
necessarily an old slot machine? It's just
Huh?
because if it's a 3 reel, it would just be 3, right?
That is three. Well, I think it called a
3
reel.
reels,
Yeah.
And then, but then there's so
Look at
many
that.
lines.
The little. Maybe we should try playing it later.
All right.
Yeah,
sounds
let's
like
see.
a plan.
What is this? This is the sky box. Let's walk around this way so you can see. All right, everybody. No smoking marijuana here, okay? This is right here. Smoking marijuana is not permitted anywhere on the property.
Let's take a look at their attractions.
SkyJump's closed. Big Shot's closed. X-Scream closed. Indoor decks open. Outdoor decks open.
And it says December.
Yeah, it's December.
Christmas.
Yep.
Oh, this is where you watch the Illuminate, the dancing robots.
Yes.
Are we done with this room? Yeah.
Yes.
Looks like it.
All right. I'm gonna walk back out this way. Oh, if you made it this far in the video, we don't really ask, but like,
Please?
comment, subscribe,
Now we're asking?
or something, because it helps
Or
the video.
troll.
Or
Right?
yeah,
Troll. Doesn't matter.
or just comment where you're from, or just like comment like some sarcastic.
Anything.
Yeah, just like make fun of us. It helps the algorithm or something. Or something.
At least something.
Yeah, something.
Alright, let's keep going. Is that the Viagra game? Island Rising? Yeah, it is.
Yeah, just call it. Just call it. Viagra game, Island Rising. Yeah. Hot stuff!
Hot stuff.
So we're gonna walk around the perimeter of this place, and then we'll just kind of scatter around the inside after,
Yeah.
and then we're gonna play.
Yeah.
Gotta do our bubble craps challenge. Oh, here's the hotel check-in.
And the concierge.
Yeah. I remember us staying here that one time.
Uh-huh.
It wasn't memorable because I don't remember
I
anything.
remember it too.
Yeah, it wasn't that great.
Dude.
I just remember our the only place that's very memorable is Fontainebleau and Encore and Wynn that I remember.
Well, we're about to go to Venetian. Stay at Venetian.
Oh, we're staying at Venetian tonight. Yeah, stay tuned for that episode.
Yes. But anyway, we are at the Strat and it doesn't smell like smoke. Pretty good ventilation.
Well, still does
Very
for me.
loud music.
Could be my upper lip.
I don't smell smoke.
Oh, this is pretty. I said pretty, everybody. I gotta take a short for views and stuff.
Chris.
Do that again. Can you do it? No, go it again. You're right over by the tree. Here we go. It's Stratosphere, everybody. Okay, cool. That was fun, right? Yeah.
I'm not even drunk and you got me to do that. Power pay. Yeah.
Power pay. This game is fun sometimes when it works in our favor.
When it pays, it's really fun. When
Yeah.
it doesn't pay, it is not as fun. I think that's true for everybody.
That's true for all the games, I think. You are so right.
Oh, is that it? That's where we entered.
We did? No, we didn't.
No, because we were right next to
We're over there.
High Limit.
Yeah, right there. So now we can kind of just cut inside around here. Let's go like this. Let's go in here and go back around that way.
All right.
We're just gonna cut through so you can see these machines.
For the electronic blackjack
As you can see,
players.
look at this. This is awesome. You see that? This camera is amazing for walking tours.
Yeah, I was just saying, there's electronic blackjack over here.
Yeah.
Here's a High Limit. We were there. Ooh, they have table games here, and they had table games over. Oh, that way.
Yeah.
Goes around.
You wanna try the craps later? Maybe? I don't know.
Yeah, I do actually.
$10 craps here.
Yes. And look at this.
It's easy money. It's kind of like a replica of Top Dollar. Did somebody win?
Yeah. But I saw my game a while ago.
Oh, you did?
Yeah. I wasn't sure if you were steering me away from it.
Oh. Well, if I did that, I would be steering you away from every slot machine here.
Oh my goodness.
Okay, let's cut through this way.
Let's cut through this way. Here is the blue Christmas tree. You know where we actually had some pretty good buffalo games at?
The Carnival cruise.
Right,
Yeah.
the cruise, and we thought it was so stingy.
Oh, look at that game over there.
I know.
Shit.
I know.
Shit. She's walking over to it. Oh my god, here we go. Oh my god.
Can I check?
She's gonna check. Okay. I'm gonna check. Walk over here and do a tour. Here we go. Are you ready for a gold rush? My bad. So this is the mini crapless craps table that they have over at the Strat. Yeah, cool, huh? That is amazing. Mini crapless craps for everybody that wants to play. We might go play the craps table in a bit. The crapless craps here with minimum $3. And that's a Strat, everybody. So go see if she's winning. Here she goes. Free game, free game, free game. Oh.
It's been doing that.
So, craps table's open. If you want to go play it.
Did he get it? Oh, I didn't play this.
Okay.
But I'd like to go to the table in here.
We're gonna go check out the craps table. Nobody's playing it. It's $10 minimum. All right, here we go. That's fun. All right. Let's go to the craps table and play. Thanks for tuning in. Record if there's anything else.